Guys, I think I found the perfect gift. Now you want to give a gift to a friend, husband, or wife that is into tabletop miniatures, into RPG or wargaming. And you know that that person has a ton of paints already and a ton of miniatures, like lots of miniatures. So you don't really know what to give that person. You don't know what that person will like because or doesn't have because he has so many stuff already. Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my channel. This channel is supported by all these awesome brands. Also, special thanks to FoxBite Hobbies for making this video possible. Now, my first impression is that the bag, the FoxBite bag, is huge. It's super big. I thought it was smaller, like perfect for a small collection of paints and maybe a few models for any D&D campaign or adventure. But the bag is huge. It's kind of heavy now because I have all my gear, not all, but a few of my camera gear inside the bag. Now, obviously, you can pack a lot of stuff in this bag. Like you could use it as a painting bag. You could put a lot of paints there, and if you have a convention or out of town, you want to bring your paints and brushes or whatnot, and then you could bring it there and you could paint. Or you could use it as an RPG bag wherein you could bring your dice, your miniatures, your maps, your tabletop miniatures, and you could play the game wherever. Now, the main problem with this review, other than the fact that FoxBite sent me this bag, is that I love bags ever since. Like when I was an employee back then, I like jackets and bags because they don't like wear down as fast as as rubber shoes or shoes, and definitely not as fast as shirts or even jeans. Jeans is okay, but jeans looks like jeans. So I like jackets and bags the most. So I really, really love this bag because other than the size, you could use it for so many different things. Now, if you're getting value out of this video, do give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I can't really tell you that the bag is very, very durable. However, the materials used seems durable, like leatherette and the canvas type cloth on the bag. The zippers are pretty smooth when you open and close the zippers, and it looks pretty durable. But I can't really tell you that it will last super long, especially since I'm using it as a camera gear bag. And I just got the bag. For me, it became a gear bag for like the equipment, the camera lenses, the gears, the tripods, the small tripods, and stuff like that. But eventually now it's a miniature bag. It has all like my really nice miniatures inside. And of course, my nice brushes and a few extra handles, miniature painting handles, and basically like stuff that I want to keep safe and secure, but at the same time I have easy access. I know what to get, where to get like my good brushes or where to get my next painting project. So I do have a discount code, an affiliate link. It won't be extra for you guys, but you'll get like 10% discount and it will give me a little something too. So you might want to check it out. I'll put it in the description below. Now, before my final thoughts, a huge thanks to all my patrons at Patreon, Hajime Model Studio, and of course, FoxBite Hobbies for making this video possible. Although, like I said in the intro, I think this is the perfect gift if your sister, brother, husband, wife, or friend that's into wargaming or tabletop miniatures, into painting, or D&D campaigns and adventures. I think this bag is a perfect gift for people like that, or actually any person that likes bags. That's it, Pansit. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff. Until next video, guys. Bye! Now, if you like this video, do check out these other videos.